Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review from Alipearl. This is everything that they sent over in the package. So today we are doing a 12-inch side part body wave bob. Look at the lace, look at the plucking, look at the pre-bleaching. So this wig is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all of that good stuff. So all you have to worry about doing is cutting off the lace. I'm trying it on so you guys can see how flawless it looks already. I'm glad that I don't have to do any customizing or anything to it. So now I'm just going to cut the lace off. I'm cutting it off in a zigzag motion, and I like to cut it really close to the hairline so that it can be undetectable. Okay, now we're just gonna try the wig on to see what it looks like right away. I'm just trying it on, making sure it fits my head and everything. And as you guys can see, it's already looking really good. I just need to cut off the ear tab parts. I'm just going to pretty much look at it and kind of get an idea and then cut off any extra lace. And I'm actually going to take the wig off because for some reason it's so hard for me to cut the lace off the wigs when it's on my head. So I'm just cutting it off, and then I'm cutting the little ear parts off of it, and then I'm going to put it back on again. Okay, now we're gonna get ready to lay the wig down. So I'm pulling out my little sideburn parts, and then I'm going to be using my black even lace spray to lay everything down. I'm just adding a little spray over the lace, and then I'm going to go over that with my blow dryer on cool. Okay, now I'm going to use my elastic band to lay the wig down so that it can really melt into my skin. While my wig is melting, I'm just going to kind of finger comb the curls out. So it already comes with like a body wave, as you can see. So I'm just kind of finger combing those out, and then I'm going to cut a couple little layers in the front of my hair. Okay, so the elastic band was on my head for maybe about 5 to 8 minutes. Now I'm just going to pull my baby hairs out. I'm just going to do baby hairs on one side because the other side you're not really going to be able to see the hairline, so it was a little pointless for me to do it. Since I'm having the deep side part, which they already did, by the way. I didn't really have to part it or anything. They already did like the little C part already perfectly. So I'm just pulling out my edges, and then I'm using my hot comb to make sure that everything is going in the right direction and it's nice and smooth. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of my Nairobi mousse to my edge brush, and then I'm going to swoop my edges. Once I'm done with my edges, I'm going to use my spritz spray, which helps the lace to melt even better. So I'm just going to spray that over my baby hairs and everything so those can stay in place. And then I'm also going to spray that all along the side over my lace, and then it started dripping, so I made sure to wipe that off. And then I'm going to go back over that with my blow dryer, and this time I'm going to use the softer band, like the scarf that they sent over in the package, so that it won't be as much pressure on my head, because I'm gonna be like styling it and everything for a while, and I don't know, whenever I wear the elastic band too much, it gives me a headache. So now I'm going to style it. So I'm just going through and I am curling the hair backwards on both sides, and I'm just like doing some curls all over so I can make sure it's completely curled. Although it comes with the body wave, I'm just like adding my own little body wave so it can be nice and fresh. Okay, after I'm done doing that, I'm just making sure to take off the scarf, and then I'm gonna go over it with my foundation color to make sure that it's blending in with my skin perfectly once we're at the last step. Now I'm just playing with my curls. I'm brushing them out and finger combing them out so that I can get them in the perfect position. And that is pretty much it, y'all. This is such a cute little style. I love it. It's a cute little bob, so freaking cute. And I love how they already had pretty much everything ready for you. The parting space was impeccable. I love the edges, the lace and everything is a laid. Look at the back and how it looks, super curly, super cute, has plenty of body, plenty of movement. The hair texture is absolutely beautiful. I'm giving you guys some up close so you can see what the lace looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this wig or any other wig from Alipearl Hair, I have the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.